Hi, this is the syllabus review for the Math 120, Fundamentals of College Math. This is for sections 1002 and 1003, the online section for summer 2014. Anyway, so we have some basic stuff here. Jeff Downs, here's my email address, jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. Home page, put all the information here that you're going to need, you'd find in this Canvas page. But www.wnc.edu/Downs. Now I have an office in Fallon at the Fallon campus, Pinion F1, but I'm not there in the summertime. That number, the phone number there is 775-423-7988, extension 2251, or to reach me this summer, you should call me at my cell phone at 775-762-4837. Prerequisite for this class, Math 96 or Math 95 with a grade of B- or better, or the equivalent. Course description offers a course in real numbers, consumer mathematics, variation, functions, relations, and graphs, geometry or measurement, probability and statistics, sets, and logic. So here we're going to focus on, we have a lot of leeway. So this course is broad in scope and emphasizes applications. Topics will include probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer mathematics. So we have the two areas that we're going to be working on are probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer math. That's 2/3 of the semester. The other third is logic and sets. And the course is the 3-credit class. Now this course will transfer to any other NSHE school, that's Nevada System of Higher Education. And it'll count towards your degree, depends on what the degree is. So it may transfer to colleges outside of Nevada, but you need to check on that. Linkage to college admission: provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically and apply computational skills. So our book is going to be a survey of mathematics with applications, 9th edition, by Angel, Abbott, and Rund. You have two options. You can get the book with My Math Lab, and there's the ISBN for that. Or you can get just the My Math Lab Access, and there will be an ebook in there. But either way, you need My Math Lab Access. So you can get this at the bookstore. You can go to mymathlab.com directly and see how much it is. I'm not sure the price difference is. All homework and exams are to be completed online in My Math Lab, and your quizzes will be online in Canvas. So you need a textbook, paper or online version. Calculator, the TI 83, 84, 89, very helpful. I use the TI 89. The TI 30X2S is also very helpful. I've used those quite a bit. I use those in my traditional class, so it's a good calculator, something worth considering. So our grading scale is pretty standard, A, B, C, D, F. And I give the percent range and then the point range as well. I have points down here. If you see this, midterm is 200 points worth. Quizzes, 100 points. Homework, it's 200 points. Participation, 100 points. And finals, 200 points. And by the way, I'll say it now, I'll say it many times, your participation is your discussion postings. You need 10 discussion postings to get the full points. And so I come back up here to my grading scale chart, and 720 to 800 is your A, 640 to 719.9 is your B, 560 to 639.9 is your C, 480 to 559.9 is your D, and below 480 is an F. So there'll be a midterm. It'll be online in My Math Lab, and it's due July 3rd, 2014. I'd like to have made it due July 4th, but that's Independence Day, so we're taking that day off. So the midterm will be conducted in My Math Lab. The midterm will cover chapters 11 and 12, and there's no makeup for this. You'll have several days to get it done, but you need to get it done by July 3rd. So for quizzes, there'll be 11 quizzes. The top 10 of the 11 quizzes will be counted for the grade. Each quiz is worth 10 points toward the grade for a maximum quiz score of 100 points. If the quiz is missed, it receives a score of 0. There'll be 28 assignments over 4 chapters. Each chapter is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through My Math Lab as well. To access, go to the site. There's a link for the site, and there's the course ID for this summer class is Downs 36501. I don't want any late homework though. Get it done on time. Final exam is due August 1st. That's the last day of the summer class. You'll complete the final exam in my math lab, which are 200 points, as said above. The final exam will cover chapters 13 and 3, so it's not comprehensive. Participation. Participation grade is determined by the number of substantive posts on the discussion board. I'll be checking posts in the introduction area, so everyone needs to put an introduction. Who are you? Homework discussions and math jokes. So those are areas where I'll be checking for posts. You'll receive about 10 points per substantive post, and what I mean by that is it's more than just saying haha or LOL or I agree. You want to say something meaningful. You can ask a question, you can answer a question, you can post a joke, a funny joke. The idea is to be working together with people and to help build the community. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison at scott.morrison at wnc.edu. Disability statement: I encourage any student needing to request accommodations for a specific disability to please meet with me or the DSS coordinator at your earliest convenience to ensure timely and appropriate accommodations. And we have some important dates. June 9th, class begins. June 13th, last day to receive a 100% refund. June 20th, last day to pay for classes with a late fee. Late registration ends. July 4th, Independence Day, college closed, no class. That's why the midterm is due on July 3rd. July 7th, last day to change credit to audit or audit to credit. July 11th, last day to drop fall classes with a W, and August 1st, final exam due date. So here's our schedule for the summer, and we have quite a bit to cover in a very short time. This is really like half the time of the semester, so we're going to be doing double the pace. I hope you understand that. So on Monday, as you see here, I'd like you to post your introduction, do 11.1, 11.2, 11.3. Then on Wednesday, I want you to do 11.4, 11.5. Quiz 1 will be due on Friday. And then on Monday, 11.6, 12.1, 12.2. So I have videos for each one of these lessons. Watch the video, do the homework. So you have quiz 2 due there, quiz 3, quiz 4, quiz 5, quiz 6, then quiz 7 over here, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this little table tells you what the quizzes cover. Okay, that just about does it for our syllabus review. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.